Hey my peeps, if you have this mold, I have a cute shortbread cookie filled with fudge that you can fake bake. So you're just going to make your molds with your clay. You're going to let them set up for a bit. You're going to get you your classic caramel, and you're going to dry brush some color on your cookie to make it look like, bake a baked shortbread cookie. And you're going to do that to all the cookies. Brush it good. Don't put too much paint, because if you put too much paint, that's why you're going to dry brush it. It won't look as realistic. Then you're going to get your cork, your Mod Podge, and your paint mixture. You're going to put it in a little baggie, and you're going to fill the center of your shortbread cookie, and that's what's going to make your fudge in your shortbread cookie. Now, the cork mixture is going to take maybe about 3-4 days to dry completely. So you got to let it sit out and dry real well. But when it's done, it's going to just look like a shortbread cookie filled with fudge. Look how good those look. And so easy, and you can make a bunch of them. All you need is clay and your silicone cork mixture.